Hey, two friends. Today I'm going to share with you another kit. This one's from Tamiya and is of the Mazda Miata. This is actually the Japanese version of the kit. So it's called I believe it's called the Eunos in Japan, and also it has the left-hand steering. Wait, or no, right-hand steering. So it's an old kit, but it's still relatively available. I got this on Amazon, so I think this kit's probably maybe 20 years old, and they're still producing it, so it shouldn't be that hard to find. And it's one of the few kits that are available for the Miata or Eunos. So let's open up and see what's inside. Alright, so this is the body. And I believe this is a curbside kit, meaning there's no engine. So it should be fairly quick and simple build, which I don't really mind because I'm not a big fan of building engines anyway, because I never can get them looking right. The That was my air compressor. So the body details are pretty good. I think the panel lines could be a little bit more crisp and deep. It's a little bit shallow. I think I might need to scratch it out a little bit. The headlights are not pop. They don't work. This is the first version of the Miata, so they had pop-up headlights back then. This one does not. It's molded on. I mean, overall, the details is pretty good. The door handles are molded in. The side running lights are molded in. Nothing extraordinary, but it looks good, and overall it looks good. So this is the decals, not a lot, just license plates, and the Mazda emblem. Also looks like you have the instrument panel. So yeah, you can see here that there's not a lot of parts to this kit at all. So it looks like this is the tonneau cover for the convertible. I'm not gonna make the convertible version. Brakes, and then you have mufflers. It's a cockpit tub, and just various chassis parts, undercarriage parts. Yeah, you can see right here that the engine's bolted on. Not bad, but if you care about building an engine, then this kit's not for you. The seats, they're one-piece seats, steering wheel, rear mirrors, side mirrors, and then you have it has chrome mirrors, chrome wheels, a nice color chrome. I mean, I really like Tamiya because the chrome is, I think, the most realistic looking. It's subdued. It's not too bright. Wheels, rubber wheels. Another thing about Tamiya I like is they do use rubber for the wheels, and it just feels more realistic, and they're easy to mount. And then here you have the clear parts. It looks like you can build the hardtop version or the version with the convertible top extended. But this kit looks like it's broken. I mean, I don't really care because I'm going to build the convertible version, so it's not a big deal. but that's maybe something you should be aware of because it looks pretty fragile. And that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not a lot of parts. I reckon there's less than 100 parts. And so this is the instruction manual. And I'm gonna photograph all this for you so that you can see what it looks like in close detail. And it'll be at the back of this video. So basically, ladies and gents, this is the Tamiya 124 scale Mazda Eunos slash Mazda Miata. First iteration of the Miata. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe.